Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, March the 8th. The gap has been filled on the downside after the market melt up and that extreme top last Wednesday. We've been drifting lower and filling in that price gap from Tuesday to Wednesday open. So now stocks, yesterday were down about 0.25% across the board. We had the S&P down 9, Dow down 40, and the NASDAQ down about 10. Still very strong in the year, but a bit of a pullback and a slide after that extreme top. Looking at other markets, we have gold continuing to move lower. Assets are on the decline. Gold was down $10 yesterday to $12.15, and we saw crude oil at unchanged levels, $53.15, another $1 range going nowhere, just sideways. So after the downward move in assets across the board yesterday, where do things stand here on this Wednesday morning? We're getting a bit of a bounce. We had ADP employment numbers came out much stronger than expected. 290,000 jobs were created, and so we've got the stocks up after being much lower overnight. So now we're up 4 right now in the E-mini S&P. We're up 12, and then NDX, we're about unchanged in the Dow. Looking at some other markets here, the dollar index is the focus. We're around the 102 level. 102.19 was the high on Friday, and that's the highest we've seen since January 11th in this dollar, and there's now more than a 90% chance that the March meeting will see a rate hike. With that dollar strength, we're knocking crude down one more time. Crude's down 70 cents at 52.50. 52.50 is an important pivot. That's the halfway level of the 50 to 55 range that we've been in since December 1st. And it's held to support on Thursday and Friday, so we'll see if today the third time is a charm. Also seeing downward pressure is gold. Gold's down at the lowest level that we've seen in more than a month. We're at $12.08 right now, down $8. $1,200 psychologically is an important level to keep an eye on. And $11.95 is the halfway point of that recent low to that $12.65 high that we saw 2 weeks ago. Other news to keep an eye on, the British pound got to the lowest level since January at 122 after being at 126 last week. So dollar strength is giving other assets something to think about. We talked about the ADP numbers. We've got unemployment on Friday. So to summarize where we stand as the cash stock market gets started, a little bit of strength, E-mini S&P up 4. We've got the Dow right now pretty unchanged, and the NASDAQ's leading the way up 15. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.